viewers, today we are going to make a yummy cake recipe using bourbon biscuit. Let's check it out what are the ingredients are. 3 packets of bourbon biscuit, half lemon juice, 1 medium glass of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Let's see how we'll make it. In a mixie jar, break the bourbon biscuit into small pieces and blend it to make a fine powder. Transfer the fine powder into a mixing bowl. Add milk slowly and stir it. Add baking powder, baking soda and lemon juice. Now our ribbon consistency batter is ready. Keep the bowl aside. Grease a cake tin or any vessel with oil completely. Pour this batter. Dust cashews with maida and garnish it on the top of the cake batter. I used cashews over here. You can use any nuts as per your choice. Preheat the pressure cooker for 10 minutes with 500 grams of crystal salt. Place stand in the center. Place cake tin. Don't use gasket and whistle. Close the pressure cooker. Rest it for 20 minutes in low flame. After 20 minutes, open the pressure cooker. Wow! Insert the toothpick at the center. Toothpick came out clean, so now cake is ready. Remove the cake tin from the pressure cooker and let it cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, using knife, remove the sides. Now take a plate and transfer into it. Tap it on the top. Wow, yummy, delicious, soft cake is ready now. Mouth-watering cake. Hope you liked my recipe. If you like, please give thumbs up, subscribe our channel and click on bell button for next update. Thank you so much.